If your Google Gemini app not working properly, it show something went wrong, please try again later. Let's see the solution. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down and go to your phone apps. Now search Google Gemini. Tap on Google Gemini. Now from the bottom, tap on Archive. After complete the archive, tap on Restore button. After complete this process, go back to your home screen. Now step 2, open Google Play Store. Tap on search icon. Now search Google Gemini. From here, make sure your Google Gemini app is updated. Step 3, open your phone setting. Go to your connection setting. From here, make sure your internet connection is stable.